You're going to sit in Max's lap? You want to lay in your lap? Oh, you want Max to make a lap so you can sit in it? So Max, what was it that... Oh, you're going to let Nick sit in your lap?
So we can both say, it's Granddad's birthday. It's Granddad's birthday, Mom.
Yeah?
Birthday. It's my birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday?
Yeah.
No. Whose birthday is it?
Granddad.
Yay! Look at the camera and say, Happy birthday, Granddad.
Happy birthday, Granddad. Happy birthday, Granddad.
We'll see you at lunch.